Let's build a production-ready grocery delivery app in seconds. All you need to do is log into https://bolt.new and create your profile. Then, simply type a prompt to build a grocery delivery app. It will ask you a couple of prompts, and then, wait for the magic. It will deliver a production-ready grocery app. Let's see the magic begin. After this, the code is shipped to your GitHub. You can then run this in your production and development environments for testing. So cool, fascinating. If you want to build a production app with this app, let's discuss. Please like and subscribe for more video content.